Good day! With this video lesson, we're going to solve a random math problem from the topic plane areas under your integral calculus. The problem: what is the area between y is equal to 0, y is equal to 3x squared, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2?
So in this problem, we're asked to find the area between your y is equal to 0, your y is equal to 3x squared, and your x which is equal to 0, then your x which is equal to 2. Now, so we're considering now a vertical strip here. So if we zoom out this vertical strip, so it looks like a rectangular shape, no? So this will be your y and this will be your dx. So applying again the concept of your area, no, in finding the area of a rectangular shape in your geometry, so your area now will be equal to length multiplied by width. But in this case, no, your length is your y, then your width is your dx. But again, we're dealing with an irregular curve. That's why we need to put a lower and upper limit. So that's why we need to apply the concept of integral for us to get the value of the area, no, of an irregular curve, considering this vertical strip from that portion of a curve. Now, since we're dealing with your dx, the right thing to consider now is to look for the values of your lower and upper limit. So if this is dx, then we need to consider your x values or your x coordinate from the first point up to the last point that we're considering in your graph. So since we start here from 0, 0, then we consider 0 as your lower limit and 2 as your upper limit, because we consider this portion from 0 to 2. So we cut the graph from 0 to 2. So let's apply now the concept of your integral in finding the area. So your a now will be equal to, what will be your lower and upper limit? So that will be your 0 to 2, because with respect to your dx. Now, applying the concept of your area in your geometry, so this will be equal to y dx. So in this case, we always want a uniformity in the variables being involved in our equation. That's why we need to look for the value of this y, no, in terms of x. So what will be the value of your y in terms of x? So from the given function here, so there is a value of y in terms of x. So we just simply substitute these values of y in terms of x to our equation. So we can rewrite this one. So our area now is equal to 0 to 2. Then your y is equal to 3x squared dx. So how can we get now the integral of this one? So how can we get the integral of this one? So following the pattern of this, no? So your power formula, no? So your integral of your un du is equal to your un plus 1 all over your n plus 1. So if we try to look at this one, your u here is your x, then your n here is your 2 from this portion. So how can we get the integral of this one? So the integral of 3x squared will be equal now to So this will be your area. Your area now is equal to 3x. So we copy your exponent. So 2 plus 1 all over your 2 plus 1. So how can we simplify this one? So your area now will be equal to, so we're going to apply now here your 0 to 2 as your lower and upper limit. So let's simplify first this one before applying your lower and upper limit. So that will be 3x cubed over 3. Then let's apply your 0 to 2. So as you can see, there is a 3 in your numerator and denominator, so we can cancel out this one. So the remaining variable involved in your area is x cubed. So your area now will be equal to x cubed, applying your 0 to 2, or simply equal to 2 cubed minus your 0 cubed. So as you can see, this portion will be equal to 0 now. So the remaining value for this area is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So that will be 8. So we need to put square units because we're pertaining to the area, no? Area of the curve for this one. So we're considering this part. So this area, the area of this one will be equal to your 8 now. So our final answer is 8 square units.
So thanks for watching. If you want to like, comment, share, and subscribe, please do so.